When it comes to growing winter squash, I leave nothing to chance. I'm Christy Wilhelmi from Gardenerd, and today I'm going to show you how to hand pollinate all of your squashes. Even with a lot of pollinators in the area, I mean, heck, we were beekeepers for 12 years here at Gardenerd headquarters, I still leave nothing to chance when it comes to pollinating winter squashes. I get questions from people all the time about the timing of when the flowers open and which is male and which is female, so I'm going to break it down for you right now. First off, let's identify the male and female flowers. The male flower is on a long stem and it has the one central stamen in the middle. And that is where the pollen is produced. And then if you look for the flowers that have an ovary on the bottom, or the fruit, those are the female flowers. Female flowers have the fruit at the base, and their reproductive parts have a lot more going on in the middle than that single stem. There's a trick that my dear friend David King came up with to help remember the different parts of the flower. Pistil packin' mama is the female flower's part, and the stamen is the male flower's part. If you can remember those two words, pistil and stamen, and then you remember pistil packin' mama, you will be able to tell the difference. Now let's talk about timing, because when you start to see flowers in your garden, the first thing you're going to see are male flowers. They open first to ready themselves for female flowers to open. The other thing you need to know is that this all transpires early in the morning, and usually by the time the sun hits your plants, by around 9 or 9:30, those female flowers or male flowers have closed, and that's your window. The window has closed. So how do we do this? Let me walk you through the process. There are a couple of techniques. A lot of people will just break off the male flowers, pull off the petals, and dust the pollen from one to the other, but I like to leave the male flowers there because they're pretty, and I use just a watercolor paintbrush. So you're going to take the brush and pull pollen off the stamen, and it looks like this, here. And then you're going to paint it onto the pistils of the female flower. And that is it. That is how you hand pollinate your squashes. And this isn't just for winter squashes. You can use this on summer squashes and watermelons and cucurbits of all kinds. To know whether or not it has worked, all you have to do is keep watching that female fruit. If it stays green and grows larger, you have done well with your fertilization. If it turns yellow like this and drops off the plant, then you maybe want to use a little bit more pollen next time around. Or do it earlier in the morning before the pollen goes sterile. To learn more about the Cucurbitaceae family and all of the things you can grow in it, go to gardenerd.com and check out my books, my online courses, and consider becoming a Patreon subscriber to support these videos and the other free stuff we do here at Gardenerd. Patreon supporters get access to behind-the-scenes videos and monthly hangouts with me. Happy gardening!